comes this way.
It's gonna get rid of us.
I'm digging in. I'm not getting smoky.
Oh my God, they're gonna smoke this away. Yeah.
I like it. Barely.
Did you get that tunnel thing you were after?
No.
That tube?
Yeah.
No. You can see it out in the window, can you? Can you see the skyline? Yes.
Sit still. Here comes another one.
One of the robot bats.
Short fucking fuse. It's supposed to go that way.
Really?
Yeah. But it don't. Billy, a panda.
Panda.
The heck's a panda?
What does a panda do?
Eats bamboo.
There you go. Now we're fixing to find out.
I'm in Canada.
It smells.
That's it?
Wow.
That's it.
Yeah, that's all it does.
I'm enthralled.
Here we go.
That's way better.
He had one last night. Just about the time you thought that was it, it wasn't it. It would relight itself and go on again.
They had new fireworks this year. Never seen before. Did really weird things. Pretty cool. One actually looked fuzzy, like an animal.
Hmm.
You know
Now
that
they
one?
can make them look like
yeah,
the American
kinda.
flag, and I don't know what all.
They had one that it was silver and it had a pink heart in the middle.
That's it. Mosquitoes.
And Aaron Tippin was there.
Yeah. He is doing.
Yeah.
We saw him live.
$5.
Get in. I'm opening
We'd
And-
been there earlier and paid $25. We could have seen him like meet.
Yeah, a meet and greet pass. I didn't know about it.
No, I didn't either.
I would have gotten meet and greet passes. I can't believe they were only $25.
Boom.
It must be a strobe.
That's
That hurts
bright.
your eye- Yeah, that hurts your eyes to look at it.
He's biting me.
Damn, you could use one of them when you break down.
I hate mosquitoes.
For such a small one, that's pretty cool.
I'm serious, you could use one of them if you broke down.
Oh yeah.
panda.
Oh, shit.
Okay, it fell over.
Dirty.
Gotta love them when they fall over.
Yeah.
That's so fucking retarded.
Oh, no, it's flaming.
John?
Oh my god!
Wait, it burned the other one.
You can use that to light the next one.
Yeah.
Dad, look, there's smoke in the road.
Good.
You should have seen Thera last night.
I hate those things.
There was smoke everywhere. Like, there's so much smoke, it just